Over the years, Facebook changed the way business page works. It's not a secret that it is not displaying to us every single live update from all our friends or the pages we subscribe. How can photographers work the algorithm, and what is the best way to promote your business? It's Money Monday, Marketing for Photographers, episode number 8. For the new visitors, my name is Zdenka. I work as a photographer for many years, and I am also a former model and a few other things. If you have been on Facebook for a while and you are relying on this platform when it comes to your business, you might be a little bit frustrated because the reach has gotten smaller. Engagement is the game here, so let's look at the tips and tricks to raise those numbers up and keep rising them up. And for the new photographers who are just starting out with the business page on Facebook, there are 4 things you want to do right at the beginning. One is change that long number looking like URL to a short one, short and sweet, just like mine. Actually, the link is in the video description below as well. You can change that in the page info section. Number 2, you want to add the like button directly on your website so people can just hit the like without actually leaving your website. Depending on which web hosting company you are using, most of them have that function already built in their templates. Don't just skip the About Us section. Whatever you write there goes directly to a search engine, so be detailed as possible, be entertaining, show your personality, be funny, whatever you want. Just link also your website there and your other social media like Twitter, Flickr. If you want to look professional, pick a very nice headshot of you, either if you're holding camera on there or not, doesn't matter. It should be eye-catching, and don't be afraid to throw your logo there as well. Once you're ready to go, here is a list of things to do to keep that ball rolling, to keep that engagement high. Post regularly, I cannot stress that enough. You need to keep that page fresh looking. If you don't post enough, people will kind of forget about you, you will get forgotten. If you post way too much, then you might have your posts hidden and you will kind of get marked as a spam. So what I suggest, the best thing is to post once a day, and you can actually schedule it far ahead in advance. If you check your Facebook Insights, you will see the times when it is the best to post. Usually during the week it's midday, and on the weekends it's usually in the evenings. But I might be wrong, so don't rely on my information. Go inside into your Facebook and check your insights. There you can also study what posts got the most engagement and when. Once you finish a photo session, get a permission from your model or a client and post the best photo from that shoot. Whenever you make a post, your goal really should be, I want people to share my post. And that is actually the best form of engagement. People like sharing posts which trigger emotions in them. So make them laugh, make them cry, inspire them or educate them. It can be a very interesting caption or a joke, or you can give a tips on posing or explain how the shoot went and what you did behind the scenes. Obviously, you will have to try a few different things to see what works for you the best. Tag a person in the photo or ask them to tag themselves. If they are going to post your photo, make sure they tag you, or simply you tag yourself in that photo. Once you get a comment, keep that conversation going. Answer all questions they might have, or simply thank everybody for leaving the comment there. If you add more photos, make them bold. Which one is the best? Well, photos are kind of great, but the latest trend is video. We will be seeing a lot more of it in the future, so if you can actually post a short, maybe behind the scenes video. Your fans would greatly appreciate that. Once in a few months, click that share button on your business page and share it on your personal one. Let your friends know that you actually have a business page and make them like it. You can also announce a very cool shoot you are getting ready for and you're very pumped about. You know, snap few behind the scenes photos as you are getting ready. Be personal. Speaking of personal, there's something you don't want to do on your timeline. You don't want to do that on your Facebook. It's basically being political or talking about religions. You might be driving away some potential clients that way, so the best thing is to stay nice and neutral. You might try to partner up with bigger businesses. For example, fashion designers. If you're working for weddings, you might try flower shops or decorators. If they post your photos on their Facebook page and they tag you, the outcome will be great. You will get higher traffic to you. It is a little bit time consuming and it might take some work, but it might be worth it. Don't be afraid to try Facebook ad campaign. They are proven to be very effective, and in fact, I am sometimes using them myself. What is great about Facebook that it allows you to select budget, your daily spending budget, and the ad will automatically stop once the number is reached. And also you can target the audience. So you can select city, gender, interests, and other stuff. One last step. Run a contest for a mini session or print credit towards existing session or something like that and make people share it. Well, I think that's all I wanted to say when it comes to Facebook. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all other marketing videos and other creative photography videos I have on this channel. If you have any questions or comments or want to let me know how you are using Facebook and what was working for you and what's not, please do so in the comment section below. You know I read all comments, or if you want to say hi, do that as well, and I will respond. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ahoy.